So the first body is the physical body, and the second body cannot be seen with the naked eyes, and that is called etheric body. 15 years back, when I used to talk about this, the medical doctors, they used to laugh. They used to say, you're talking about chakras, okay, I do the surgery, show me the chakra. And I used to tell them that what you are seeing in the physical body is not limited to this level, it is much beyond. You understand? So there is an etheric body. And why you cannot see etheric bodies? Because it vibrates at a higher frequency. And the principle of frequency is, if you raise the frequency, the physical object will disappear. Do you agree with me or not? The principle of quantum physics. So this physical body is vibrating at a particular frequency. And when you raise the frequency, raise the vibration, then it turns into etheric body. And it has been said that etheric body has exactly the similar organs, arteries, veins, blood vessels, nerves, which the physical body is having. Etheric body. And the moment you enter in etheric body, you will feel your vibrational energy is increasing. And then when you raise the vibration of etheric body, then it becomes more subtle and it turns into astral body. Astral body is more subtler than the etheric body, and etheric body is more subtler than the physical body. स्थूलता से सूक्ष्मता की ओर प्रवेश करना है, जड़ता से चैतन्य की ओर प्रवेश करना है. And when you raise the vibration of astral body, then it becomes the causal. The causal means as it is the cause. So the cause of every incident of your life is decided at the fourth body, Jnanamaya Kosha. So you are deciding. And if you learn, if you master the art of entering into fourth body, you can change the cause. You can convert that incident into the incident which you want. So it is the cause of what is happening now in your life. You enter into the fourth body and create a cause which will change the incidents or happenings in your life. Up to these four bodies, there are negative energy, there is a positive energy. There is a devil, there is a God. The devil is going to cause problems in your life, and the God is trying to save you from problems. And the fifth body is a very high frequency, and that is Anandamaya Kosha, and there is no negativity in that. And the person who is established in the fifth body, he has no problem. He is always happy. Nobody can steal anything from him. Nobody can harm him. Nobody can do. He is there and he is the creator. And he is the connection between the soul and these four bodies.